Hello, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management coming to you from 35 Grammont Street, unit number 2. This is a freshly renovated apartment that just became available here in the Worcester market. This is the front main entrance to the apartment. Right outside this door is a community washer and dryer for the tenant's use. It is coin-op, but very convenient. As you enter the unit, immediately on your right is a full bathroom, tub, and full-size shower. We got toilet right around the corner here, and then a newer modern vanity with mirror. Heading back out, as you directly enter into the unit, you can see that there's a nice storage closet right here. Several shelves that can be used as a pantry or any other personal belongings you might have. Next, we'll head into the eat-in kitchen dining area. You have room right here for a small, actually a pretty good decent size, if it was rectangular shaped dining room table. Easily fit probably 6 people at this dining area. Full-size fridge, 4-burner electric stove and oven. Stainless steel single basin sink with spray nozzle, granite-like countertops, newer cabinets. Continuing the tour, there is a secondary exit to the building. This exit actually wraps around to the driveway. A lot of the tenants also use this entrance to the unit, as this is basically the private entrance to the unit. This room right here will serve as your bedroom or living room. It does have a closet, but it does not have a door. So we will classify this as the living room area, but easily fit a very large size entertainment center, couch, love seat, lazy boy chair, whatever you might have. Newer floors. Continuing the tour down the hallway, straight ahead, once again, we have a good sized closet. Can definitely fit a lot in there. And then on your right, you do have a good sized bedroom in here. It's deep, but it's kind of narrow. So I would say twin or full size bed, no problem. You can see the baseboard electric heat in here. Closet. Pretty deep, can fit a lot of clothes in there. And then continuing across the hallway, you can see the LVT luxury vinyl tile. This would probably serve as the main bedroom. Could easily fit a king size bed in here. Really, really big room, very spacious. Closet area. And then this bedroom actually has its own private bathroom. It only has a stand-up shower, no tub, toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet. But this would definitely make for a real nice main bedroom. Not many apartments in the Worcester market offer the ensuite amenities like this bedroom does. If interested, please visit our website at nexuswor.com. Once again, this property address is 35 Grammont Street, unit number 2 in Worcester. My name is Jesse, and if you want to call us by phone to schedule a tour of the apartment, our phone number is 508-687-3001. You'll want extension 3 for leasing. You'll leave a message and we will give you a call back within 24 hours to schedule that showing. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.